Charles Cherry, you are the CEO, owner of Cherry Irrigation.
That's correct.
And I understand it's a family business that has been in existence for quite a long time. Tell us about how it all started.
Yeah, we started in 1987. My old man's father started the business in Krabbe as a purely design company. We're doing irrigation designs. And I started joined them in 1991. And we started doing more automation side, bringing in more turnkey type projects. And when we were when we started in 1987, we got a team of about 40 now, which does everything from design, qualified designers, more admin staff, store staff, and about 7 technical teams just doing installations and things all over South Africa and Southern Africa.
So when you talk about a turnkey project in irrigation, what does that really entail from start to finish?
Well, the big thing is starting off with sort of a needs assessment, what the client needs or wants. Then we will typically do a survey, do a GPS survey of the contours and of the terrain, do a design, find out exactly what he needs, what the crop is, what the crop needs are. Meeting with all the agronomists, meeting with guys doing the fertilizer program and stuff. And then we will supply the material. And then we will set in teams to actually do the installation and the commissioning of the project and the maintenance of it.
What kind of expertise does it take to actually design irrigation?
We've got a combination of guys. We've got a mechanical engineer we've got a guy with one of my designers, got an MSc in hydrology. I'm a civil engineer. So anyone in the engineering field can find irrigation interesting and then go for it. And then we've got the Salve, which is our irrigation institute. That's got a qualification called a Salve Irrigation Qualified Designer, which all our designers are. We have about 5 designers in the company qualified.
So this is really about industrial design and technological innovation.
A lot of innovation. I think that's what makes our company different from the other companies. We like the innovation part and the more technical side. So that's what takes us as a company to go to do work in South Africa. It's because of our specific expertise when it comes to hydroponics or irrigating into substrate and under greenhouses, undercover farming. It's actually
let's please share a bit on the innovations that you've actually produced. Engineers are usually too humble, too modest. They never.
I think what sort of sets us apart is that we understand high-tech irrigation systems when it comes to farming into substrate or farming into full hydroponic in the NFT systems. Is that there's a very specific set of rules, and if you typically come out of an open field type irrigation, you're much more, I wouldn't say relaxed in the rules, but the rules it's a different set of rules. And we understand the technical stuff on filling up times, on how quick, because our irrigation cycles are very short, 4-minute cycles and stuff, so you need to get down to pressure very quickly, and that sort of stuff. And we see pH control, we put fertilizer into the water, that needs to be very accurate. So it's installing of the control systems and understanding the control systems of those irrigation systems that becomes very, very important. So we try to be on the forefront of new stuff. We're trying to do things. We work with HTP piping systems, which is we move away from steel, so we go into plastic. It's all that sort of small things. I don't think there's anything major happening. It's just a gradual betterment of your previous job. You're always looking for something which is a little bit more next level.
It sounds like there's actually quite a lot of passion in it, though.
Yeah, it has to be. yeah. I mean,
where does the passion come from?
I think because those 2 projects are the same, and there's always the client always expects it from you. You haven't really got much choice. The client sees the passion, and that's why they're willing to sort of fly you to Namibia or Geneva or elsewhere, and because you've got that passion for new stuff, they actually start believing in your story, and they can actually see in your previous work that you've done that there's actually a bit of effort. Even our suppliers see that, so they're also willing to, from their side, to help us to invest in the training of our teams and things. So it's a very nice network of people that we move around.
Do you ever have any unusual or difficult projects?
Yeah, yes, we do. We've got some very interesting project now. We might be starting our own project actually, and we're going to do it in a warehouse. Yeah, LED lighting and CO2 injections and stuff. I can't really say much about the crop or anything at this stage, but it's going to be something new again. So that's nice. It's always something new.
So let's say you've got an investor that wants to set up a hydroponics facility.
Yeah.
Can they come to you and have it all sorted out?
Yes, definitely. I mean, we even if it's not because of our network, even if you say we want to do a fertilizer program, but if they haven't got this specific guy, I mean, I've got enough contacts to say, man, we phone this guy and he can run we can take it from here. I've got a very good working relationship with all the tunnel manufacturers, so I can help with the whole needs assessment. Does he need a high-tech tunnel? Does he need full climate control? Does he need just a protective covering? What he needs, what his needs are, and then we can go together to the tunnel manufacturer and say, yes, we want forced cooling. No, we don't need it. We want natural ventilation.
It's obvious that you can actually consult and add considerable value to a project above and beyond what the principal thinks they need.
I think that's what makes us a little bit different, because we enjoy being part of the whole project, of actually giving an opinion or knowing the right people that can help. We don't say, oh, no, ask us about pipes. That's what we do.
So, drought. Has the drought accelerated innovation?
Yes. I think my personal opinion about the drought, let's hope it's next year it's the end of it. It's going to be people in the future will look at it back as a good thing, because people are taught to save. They're looking at scheduling. They're looking at how to best work with the water that they've got. The next big thing is definitely going to be recycling of reuse of irrigation water. So next year I'm going to Israel. We're going to do a whole study on it and make sure that because that wave is going to hit. And then as irrigation designers must be ready, and we must understand it, we must understand the pitfalls. But yes, the drought definitely is putting us to the next level of water saving things. Not so much on equipment, but how to use your equipment efficiently.
So you've got some guys, they've got companies that help farmers, they give you drone or satellite information so that you can see you have a sort of a heat map of your crop. Is that a technology that you're working in partnership with as well?
Yes, we do work with them. I mean, we supply a lot of information to those people, and we from our side we must just make sure that whatever a guy like that comes up with the solutions, that our product or our design can actually react to that. A lot of things the guy will do this whole thing, and then the guy says, okay, you must irrigate twice a day, or you must irrigate this one with irrigate one day. Then the guy says, but my system can't do it. It wasn't designed for it. And we as designers must make sure that whatever those guys throw at us, we can handle. That's why it's also very important to have all the role players together from the beginning of a project. So everybody can have a very strict input on what they want to achieve at the end of the day with this project. Otherwise, if everybody comes in afterwards, if the irrigation guy says, I want to inject at this rate, or I want to inject this way, and I say, well, why working for me? If everything was put in at the first day, then everybody knows exactly what role he has to play in some of these projects.
Are some of your clients, are you finding that some of the clients are now turning more towards conservation agriculture, which is more like nature-based type of agriculture?
I think we're not really in the sort of big things where no tillage becomes a thing and all that sort of stuff. But in our irrigation, we use water as sparingly as possible, because I mean, if you can save water, you also save energy. So everything, you have to save. There's no other way to do it. But if I look at some of the other guys, when it comes to fertilizer and when it comes to pest control, I think definitely, I think everybody's into IPM, which is integrated pest management. So no, I would say as a rule, the farmers these days, if they don't go as friendly as possible or as green as possible, because at the end of the day, it's going to cost them money. and it's going to cost them their green points, and it's going to cost the environment. So, yeah, I think I'm lucky to work with farmers that mostly see the importance of IPM, of water saving.
Yeah, and like you say, maybe we'll look back one day and say that the drought did us a favor.
Well, definitely. I mean, even if you just look in the cities and stuff, now everybody's got his little grey water tank, and they're thinking about just leaving a tap open. And I don't think everybody's going to come back to what the wholesale waste issue that we had 2 years ago or 3 or whatever.